The autumn days are here again, and the night winds chilly blow. The woodland turns to golden hue, and the harvest moon's aglow. To hear again of days long past, to come no more I know. When I mowed Pat Murphy's meadow in the sunny long ago, I see again the ocean, and the distance sails afar, as the maiden in the meadow strikes up dark Lochnagar. There was music soft and tender in the winds that whispered low. When I mowed Pat Murphy's meadow in the sunny long ago. Where are the happy boys and girls that danced the gay quadrille? Or the singer who warbled sweetly the burning granite mill? To hear again at sunset, where sweet Afton waters flow. When I mowed Pat Murphy's meadow in the sunny long ago. Those days are but a memory, like the snows of yesteryear. And when evening shades are falling, all alone I shed a tear. On my cheek I feel the soft touch of the winds that whispered low. When I mowed Pat Murphy's meadow in the sunny long ago.
church town, there's a gold dirt road to a whole lot of nothing. Got a deed to the land, but it ain't my ground. This is God's country. We pray for rain and thank Him when it's falling, 'cause it brings a grain and a little bit of money. We put it back in a plate, I guess that's why they call it God's country. I saw the light in a sunrise, sitting back in a 40 on the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running. Saved by the sound of a pin-found Dixie whistle in the wind, that'll get you heaven bound. The devil went down to Georgia, but he didn't stick around. This is God's country. We turn the dirt and work until the week's done. We take a break and break bread on Sunday, then do it all again, 'cause we're proud to be from God's country. I saw the light in a sunrise, sitting back in a 40 on the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running. Saved by the sound of a pin-found Dixie whistle in the wind, that'll get you heaven bound. The devil went down to Georgia, but he didn't stick around. This is God's country. Headstone reads or what kind of pine wood box I end up in. When it's my time, lay me 6 feet deep in God's country.